Hey, I just got these rock lights here from Mike Tuning. These here are the Q1 RGBW LED rock lights. So these are multicolored. You can have white, you can have any variety of colors that you want. Let's show you what they look like in the box and what they look like on the truck. This here is the diagram for wiring and installing. It does come with this remote control here. This is the control. So the one that I got does come with 8 different rock lights. The cord length here comes in 2 lengths. It has 4 of them that are shorter and 4 of them that are longer to go towards the back of the vehicle. They do give you these pads here. These are a flexible rubber pad, and it has some different options for this. You can either run this cord from the back side, or you can tuck it in like that and it'll run right out the side. You'll have a couple little screws right there that you can mount this. Hey, and just as a side note, when I got these, like I mentioned, there are 2 short ones and 2 longer wires. The longer wires on a pickup truck like I have still wasn't quite long enough for where I was going to mount the module. So they do also sell some extension wires. I needed to get some of those. So if you have a truck or a vehicle that's a little bit longer, I would highly recommend looking into the extension wires. They come as, I think, a 2-pack that are additional 10 feet each. Now, while I do go off-roading with my vehicle here, I don't really do a lot of night off-roading. So what I decided to do is not just have it for around the wheels, it will help with that, but I wanted to spread out the lights a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install 2 of them here on the front, one over on this side and one up here. And then over here underneath the truck, I'm going to install a light on each side, as well as one on the back tire here. So that way it's going to give a more spread out look and not just by the tires, so that when I turn them on, I'm looking for that more full effect. So let's get them installed and show you what the final product looks like. All right, so I decided to install 2 of the rock lights up in the front here. You can see one of them right there, and the other one is up top over on that side. For the back wheel, I installed one on each side on the back, and then in the center of the body underneath, right there, and then one on this side. So it comes with this rocker switch right here. You see it just lights up like that and goes back. I actually wanted to get a different, more OEM style button like this. So I did order one of those separately, and I'm going to be installing it in this blank spot here. That's just a personal choice. All right, let's take a look at the way the lights look. This is one of the light shows where it lights up multiple different colors. If I just want to do a solid color, I could just do just white or just red, green, blue, and of course I can use multiple different options, get any color I want by using the app. This is the way that the app here looks. I could just pick whatever color. If I wanted it to be yellow, if I want to go with one of the blues, pink, whatever color you want, simply tap on this little color wheel here. Down here on the bottom, you see the different color groups. If I tap on that, it has a long flash. This one here kind of pulsates. This one here has the strobe light, or I can create my own. So this is a very nice feature. I really like it. So if you're looking for some rock lights to light up underneath your vehicle, these ones from Mike Tuning, they work excellent.